Hey guys, welcome back. And I just wanted to give you a quick update, I guess, like on what happened when we were at the Windy Hill Foundry. So Rob and I packed up the car, put the molds in the car, drove down to Windy Hill Foundry, and as soon as we got there, they were already making molds for the pour, which we poured on Friday morning. I just jumped right in and made some molds for some people that had brought patterns that they wanted to get cast in iron. And then Clark booted up the furnace and we poured iron. It was very successful and I got a lot of good footage. So right now I actually am about to grind all of the extra iron off of the castings that I have. You know, I had to work my day job all week, so I didn't get a chance to work on them, but I am now, and I'm super excited about it. I just wanted to give you a little Wednesday update so you know how it went, and that I was thinking about you the whole time, like filming for you and getting some good footage and some good shots and meeting some good people and reconnecting with old friends. I mean, every time I go down there, I learned so much from every single participant that I come in contact with. Their stories and knowledge is rare. In my daily life, I feel like I don't get exposed to that. So it's just such a pleasure. And I thank Clark so much for continuing to have this event and invite me and invite us all down. And I hope that you get to see different videos from different YouTube creators from that event. That's the update right now, but I'm gonna get to grinding. So I love you and I'll talk to you later. Okay, mwah.
Yeah, just slow it, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you got it. Keep it forward, 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 forward. There you go.